The TFCU Visa Classic Card is a straightforward, low-cost credit card designed for Tinker Federal Credit Union members who want something simple, reliable, and easy to manage. It comes with no annual fee, a competitive variable APR between 13% and 18% after the first 6 months, and an introductory 3.99% APR on purchases for that initial period. This combination can make it an attractive choice for those looking to build or rebuild credit without paying extra in yearly charges. Cardholders earn 1 point per dollar spent through the CURewards program, redeemable for travel, merchandise, or other rewards, and it includes perks like $150,000 in travel accident insurance and enhanced security with 3D Secure. Where it stands out is in affordability. The ongoing APR is lower than what many cards offer if you have got good credit, and the 1% foreign transaction fee is cheaper than the typical 3% found elsewhere. For occasional travelers, that makes it a practical choice. However, the rewards program is basic, and the single point per dollar rate might feel underwhelming for those who want higher earning potential. Fees for certain transactions, 2.5% for cash advances and most balance transfers, mean it is not ideal for people who often use those features. And because the APR range depends heavily on credit score, those with lower ratings will land on the higher end, which could quickly make balances expensive to carry. In short, this card works well for members who want a no-frills, low-cost option to establish credit, keep expenses low, and enjoy some basic rewards and protections. The biggest risks come from using it for cash advances, balance transfers, or carrying a balance long-term, as fees and interest can outweigh the benefits. Responsible use is key to making this card a true asset.